AI can now write, paint, compose music, and even code. Sounds crazy? It's real. And today, we're breaking down what generative AI is. Unlike traditional AI, which analyses data and makes predictions, generative AI can actually create something new. It learns patterns from massive datasets and produces fresh content, text, images, music, or even 3D designs. In this video, we're diving into what generative AI really is, how it's transforming our world, the most exciting tools out there, the buzz and controversies, and how you can start learning and using it responsibly. Stick around. By the end, you'll see how generative AI isn't just changing industries, it's opening doors for everyday creators like you. Think of traditional AI as a detective. It studies the evidence, finds patterns, and gives you the most likely outcome. Generative AI is more like an artist. Instead of just analysing, it creates something original. Think about Netflix. Traditional AI suggests shows based on your watch history. Generative AI could go a step further, creating a personalised movie trailer edited just for your tastes. That's the difference between analysing and creating. Take business and productivity, for example. At JP Chase, they've built an in-house tool called LLM Suite that helps employees draft reports and client briefings. What used to take hours? Now it's done in minutes. Next, Adobe Firefly. This one's pure magic for creatives. You just type what you want to see and boom, Firefly turns your words into visuals instantly. It's built right into Photoshop and Illustrator, so designers can create faster than ever. And in gaming, studios are testing AI that designs whole game environments and gives non-playable characters their own personalities. Instead of repeating the same old lines, these characters can now respond in completely new and unexpected ways. All right, let's take a look at a few of today's most powerful AI tools that are changing how we work and create. First up, Claude 3.7 Sonnet from Anthropic. Think of it as your super smart assistant for reasoning. It's amazing at summarising long documents, analysing tough problems, and giving clear, logical answers. Basically, when ChatGPT gives you good, Claude gives you deep. In the creative arts, artists like Refik Anadol are using AI to transform real-world environmental data, things like wind, waves, and weather, into digital art installations that actually feel alive. And finally, DeepSeek R1. This one's an open source model from China that's gaining traction fast. It's affordable, efficient, and helping make AI more accessible to everyone, not just the big players. The hype around AI is real, and it's massive. Startups like Together AI are already hitting billion-dollar valuations, proof that the AI wave is stronger than ever. But behind all that excitement, some serious challenges are starting to show up. Artists are raising their voices, worried that AI models are learning from and even copying their original creations. Writers are pushing back too, standing up against studios that want to replace human storytelling with automation. And then there's the darker side, deepfake scams. We've already seen cases where scammers used fake voices that sounded just like a company's CEO to steal millions. Pretty wild, right? So, how do you get started without getting overwhelmed? Here's a simple roadmap. First, learn the basics. Understand how generative AI actually works, not just what it creates, but the process behind it. Next, get hands-on. Test out a variety of AI tools on your own projects. You'll gain real insight and confidence through experience. Then, be responsible. Always think about the ethical side, privacy, data, and the impact your work might have on others. And finally, stay updated. AI is moving at lightning speed. What's cutting edge today could be old news next month. So keep learning, keep exploring, and stay curious. At InforLex Shield, we decode how technology transforms life, work, health, education, and society. We explore the promises and the perils of AI, data, privacy, creativity, and digital rights, helping you understand not just what's changing, but why it truly matters. This isn't just about machines learning from us. It's about us learning to shape a future that stays human. So subscribe, stay curious, and join us as we build a shield of knowledge for a more ethical, creative, and connected digital world. This is InforLex Shield.